Hello, math friends. Welcome to A Squared Math and Stuff. In this example, we are looking at calculating the determinant of a 2 by 2 matrix. I get asked often, what exactly are we calculating for when we are figuring out this determinant? Like, what is it? And some things that I've run across throughout the years when I do research on this is that these are used to calculate area. Some other things that these are used for is scale factors, like when you're programming a video game to zoom in and out quickly and easily to write that code for it. Also, it's used in the space-time coding for wireless systems. So those are just a few examples of what exactly this is used for that I'm aware of. So let's go ahead and talk about how we calculate the determinant. We will be given a square matrix. In this one, we would have a 2 by 2. And there's two ways of denoting a determinant. This first one, you have DET, and then in parentheses, we're indicating that we're looking at matrix A. This here with these vertical lines with matrix A in between means the exact same thing. You'll see both of these probably as often as each other. So there's no particular way or one more common than the other for writing the determinant of A. And then we look at the values that are in the matrix. So for a 2 by 2, once we indicate that we are writing or solving for the determinant, we take this matrix and we get rid of the square brackets and we turn them into just those vertical lines. That indicates that mathematically we are solving for the determinant. And then from there, what we do is for a 2 by 2, we pretty much crisscross and multiply. So to calculate this, we would take A1 and multiply it by B2. That would be our first value that we'd work with. And then we subtract A2 times B1. So again, we're looking at A1 times B2 minus A2 times B1. So it's this crisscross system. So let's go ahead and calculate 1. I have this example down here, the first example we're going to do for this. And we are given a matrix and we're asked to evaluate the determinant. So let's first rewrite this using those vertical lines. So it would look like this: 5, 3, -6, and 6. And now we can say that we're looking to find the determinant for this because we have these vertical lines and now we can do the crisscross system. So we'll first take 5 times 6. And then we're going to subtract the next crisscross, multiplying the diagonals. Diagonals is probably a better word to use here. So we'll multiply -6 times 3. Once we have that, multiply and simplify. So we'll have 30. We have a double negative here, which will give us a plus 18. And then our final answer is 48. So we always just get a value, a scalar value here when we're working with the determinant. If you get something more than just a single value, you've done something wrong. All right, so the determinant of this 2 by 2 matrix is 48. Let's do one more example. In this example here, we already have the lines indicating that we are looking to find the determinant. So let's multiply these diagonals. We have 10 times 3. And then we subtract -7 times -9. Do the algebra here. We have 30. Triple negative stays negative. 7 times 3 is 63. So we end up with a -33. In the next video, we are going to look at a couple methods for solving for a 3 by 3. So if you like what you saw here, go ahead and check out the next video and hit that subscribe button down below, and I will be chatting with you later.